So now let's go ahead and practice writing the null and alternate hypothesis. So for problem A, statistics students from 2 years ago average lower test scores than students from this year. So our population 1 is generally the first population mentioned, and it says statistics students from 2 years ago. So 2 years ago will be our first population, and remember we're always comparing the population parameter, so that's why it's mu1. Back to the sentence. Statistics students from 2 years ago average lower test scores from students this year. This year is our second population. That's who they're being compared to. So that's our mu2, population 2. So remember, when writing H0 and H1, we always start by comparing the first population. So mu1 will go in both of the first spots, compared to the second population. So mu2 will go in the second spots. And we've already mentioned that there's only one value that can be used in H0, which is equality. Going back to the sentence, statistics students from 2 years ago average lower test scores. So lower is less than, and less than can only go into the alternate hypothesis. So less than is our claim, and therefore H1 is our claim. Why don't you pause and try part B and then play and see if you can check your answer. Okay, so you're back and you did it and you're perfect and I don't even have to show you the answers, right? Okay, so European house cats weigh the same as American house cats. And I make this stuff up, so I have no clue about European house cats. But anyways, the European house cats are mentioned first, so that's our first population. They're being compared to American house cats, so that's our second population. And in H0 and H1, the first population is compared to the second population. There's only one choice for H0, which is equality. And going back to the question, it reads, European house cats weigh the same as. The same as is equal. That means equal is our claim, therefore H0 is our claim. When it comes to writing H1, remember, we don't know if it's going to be less or greater. We can't make that decision because the claim is for equality. All we can say is that equality was wrong. So if it's wrong, then it's not equal, and we use not equal to for H1.